Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera kepada semua. Hari ini kita akan bincangkan soalan Mighty Chondria SB025 untuk persediaan final exam PSPM 2 2020-2021 dan topik yang akan kita bincangkan hari ini adalah daripada topik immunity. So let's reread the question. First, B cell is an important white blood cell that fights infections. Explain how an inactive B cell is activated by antigen-presenting cell into a plasma cell that secretes antibodies. So this question gives you 5 marks. Consider as a short essay question. Okay, sebelum kita teruskan dengan jawapan bagi soalan ini, mari kita buat sedikit revision tentang immunity, iaitu secara spesifiknya saya nak revise tentang type of immune response. Okay, there are two types of immune response, which are humoral immune response and cell-mediated immune response. Untuk cell-mediated, jenis lymphocyte yang responsible untuk attack the pathogen adalah T cells. Secara spesifiknya cytotoxic T cells. Manakala untuk humoral immune response, lymphocyte yang responsible untuk type of this immune response is B cell. Dan dalam humoral immune response ada penghasilan antibody. Manakala untuk cell-mediated immune response, there are no antibody production because the T cell itself will attack the pathogen and destroy the infected cells by itself. Back to the question, soalan ini tanya bagaimanakah inactive B cell is activated by antigen presenting cell into plasma cell that secrete antibodies. Ada dua cara bagaimana inactive B cell ni boleh aktif. Okay, pertama adalah B cell itu sendiri boleh respon kepada unprocessed antigen yang ada dalam interstitial fluid ataupun lymph. Satu lagi cara adalah yang lebih intens apabila T cell ni diaktifkan oleh helper T cell yang sebelum itu telah diaktifkan oleh macrophage ataupun antigen presenting cell. So if you refer to the question, that question actually asks us about this mechanism. I mean, how the inactive B cell become active by antigen presenting cell. Jadi kita kena terangkan untuk mekanisme yang ini. Okay. So how the inactive B cell is activated by APC into plasma cell that secrete antibodies. Jadi penerangan kita mestilah bermula dengan point daripada antigen presenting cell ini. So the first point is antigen presenting cell ataupun macrophage displays fragments of the foreign antigen MHC complex on its cell surface. Then the helper T cell also can be written as TH cell receptor bind to antigen MHC complex on APC. So APC release interleukin 1 or IL-1 to activate helper T cell or TH cell. What happens next is the TH cell undergoes clonal selection to produce memory TH cell and active TH cell or activated TH cells. So B cell process or broken down the antigen fragment presented as antigen MHC complex on the membranes of T cells. Next is activated helper T cell or TH cell binds with antigen MHC complex of B cell. Next, activated helper T cell secrete interleukin 2 to activate the B cell or to make B cells become active. So once B cell become active, what happens is activated B cells undergo clonal selection or proliferation and differentiation into plasma cells and memory B cells so that plasma cells secrete antibodies. So we can list around 9 points here to answer the question, but then the maximum marks for this question is only 5 marks. Okay, let's move to the next question. Describe how the same antibodies found in an infant body after birth also present in the infant mother. 3 markah. Okay, so jawapannya adalah antibodies produced in mother's body are part to the infant via passive immunity through placenta. Okay. So ada 3 poin saja dan untuk ketiga-tiga poin ini memberikan 3 markah. So that's all for immunity question. Thank you for watching and all the best for your coming PSPM2. Bye.